make a Rocky mask. Take a bright blue piece of card and draw the outline of Rocky's face and eyes. Then ask a grown-up to help you cut this out with a pair of scissors. Remember to cut out the eye holes too. Take another piece of blue card of the same colour and draw Rocky's ears and hair. When you are happy with them, you can cut these out too. Almost there! Next, using light blue foam, cut out the inside of Rocky's ears. These are the same shape as before, but just a little smaller. Then cut out his eyebrows and cheeky monster spots. Cut out his teeth from a white piece of foam. And finally, his cheeky green tongue. Draw on Rocky's nose and mouth using a blue felt tip pen. When you have done that and you have all of your parts, you can start sticking them on. Using a glue stick, attach Rocky's spots, eyebrows, tongue, and teeth. Turn your mask over, glue his ears together and stick them onto the back of your mask along with his hair. Using a piece of masking tape, attach a lollipop stick. And there you have it, your very own cheeky monster Rocky mask!